Today's a lonely Vanessa day, okay? Why? Because todos me abandonaron, güey. Me rompieron el corazón y me abandonaron. Nah. No, but there's literally no one at the house today. And that's fucking weird because I'm usually the one that goes out and then everyone else leaves. And this time it was the other way around. Everyone left and now I'm the last one to leave. Come join me on my lonely day. No sé si ir al coffee shop or, well, I'm hungry. So I could go to a coffee shop that has food, or, which would be healthier probably, or just go to the coffee shop and get a little snacky there and then probably eat at night. I don't know. It's barely 4 p.m. And guess what? I feel like shit. Y'all wanna know why I feel like shit? Y'all are not ready for this, okay? Literally, on TikTok I posted that I was debating about my birth control options because I've had the arm one 3 times, and going for a 4th one with hormones just didn't seem right. So your girl ended up doing the Paragaurd, which is the IUD that goes like inside your vagina on your cervix, and it's a copper one, so it's not hormonal, but it's kind of fighting your insides so sperm doesn't attach, you know. And I was literally not prepared for the pain that I was to endure when they were putting it in my fucking system. Like, that shit hurt. That shit hurt to the point where it was like, oh my fucking God, like, what am I doing? Like, it hurt to the point where I was like, I was about to say, never mind, take that shit out. I don't give a fuck about the money. But then I did give a fuck about the money, and I was like, you're already there. Like, she already put it in. You're at the final steps. It hurt. It hurt so bad. I can't even explain, but I'm okay now. I think I'm getting better. It's been 4 days and I've been cramping. It's not so much pain like in there. It's just more of a cramps, and it's because, I mean, you're putting something in your body that's not supposed to be there. But the IUD never felt that bad. Like the IUD on your arm, that one, it just stings. Like, stings a lot. And that's it. And that's it. Like, that's literally it. That pain was bearable. The IUD was not, in the cervix, was not bearable. That was excruciating, and I know it doesn't happen to everyone, so it's just, maybe my cervix built a little wrong, you know, for it. I don't know, but hold on, let me get to the fucking food, or where the fuck I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. Fucking London. I was not expected to land here. You see it? In and out. But I was thinking, okay, I was gonna go eat somewhere, but then since I want to go to the coffee shop, okay, let's make this make sense. Since I want to go to the coffee shop, one thing I don't like if I go to a restaurant, I could whip out my laptop, but no, I don't like that. Like, I like sitting down and enjoying my food, but then I'm gonna feel like in a hurry because I already want to get to the coffee shop. So I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm just gonna fucking get in and out, eat in my car, and then go to a coffee shop, whatever coffee shop is open till like maybe 8, because it's already 5. And I like to get in my zone, and then I just zone out. So I'm getting in and out. The sun's about to set, and while I was trying to park, I was munching on my shit because I was trying to park by the coffee shop, and it was like 10 minutes away, and I was a little cold. It's buzzing. Damn, I've been craving In and Out for a minute, and since I don't eat a lot of fast food anymore, I was just like, doomed, whatever. Wow, God, I missed In and Out. Hopefully the coffee shop isn't too packed. If not, yeah, I'm gonna have to go find another one because I won't get off if it's too packed. For my Texas people, In-N-Out or Whataburger? Comment below. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'll tell y'all what my side. I feel like I think I choose In-N-Out. And that's a disgrace for being from Texas, right? No, like, don't get me wrong. Whataburger's good. I just love their fries and their burger from In-N-Out. Like, Whataburger's fries are super good. But they're just kind of regular. And these taste different. Probably because of the peanut oil. And I kind of like that. I think that they're, like, dry weird. And the burger I do 100% prefer from In-N-Out. Don't come at me. Don't beat me up. God damn. When you stop eating fast food and you eat your favorite fast foods, people say they're supposed to taste worse, but that whole never tastes worse. That whole tastes extra good. The fuck? The only thing that sucks about In-N-Out is that they're fucking spicy with their ketchup. Like, bitch, I need more ketchup in my life. I que estoy a dieta, güey. I had to get my Arnold Palmer with no ice because the ice usually give me more cramps, the cold. So I'm doomed. I'm doomed from drinking ice cold beverages for the next, I don't know how long. I will say this though. The spicy ketchup from Whataburger, smacks every time. And they gave me a lot of fries this time though. Sometimes they don't. Even though the shit ain't got no ice, that shit's still cold as fuck. Pray to God it don't give me no cramps. Gonna be crying. Also, something stupid about me. Something stupid about me is that sometimes, not right now, sometimes I feel like I have to eat certain things in an order, like a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Like with the burger, at Whataburger, I do this a lot. I'll eat burger, fries, keep going back. And then when I'm at the last pieces, I'm always like, fuck, what do I want my last bite to be, the fry or the burger? So then I'm like contemplating, and then I choose one. And sometimes I choose right, and sometimes I choose wrong. And when I choose wrong, I'm doomed. That's a little stupid, right? Excuse me. The coffee shop is packed. That's why I hate going to a coffee shop on Sundays. Delicious, but I got full. Bad. I normally don't get that full. Oh, that should be a good thing. That means I'm losing a little weight or whatever. You know what I'm craving? I'm craving ice cream. I can't eat ice cream because of cramps. Fuck you, cramps. I guess thank you maybe, because that'll force me not to eat. Especially since I shouldn't be eating ice cream.